and coming off of another unboxing. We are in for a treat this time. I mean, obviously the thumbnail shows. I just bought a new iPad mini to take with me on my trip to Korea so that I had something other than just my laptop to play around with when I'm in quarantine or when I have to check a map or if I'm getting around. Plus, it'll be nice to have Apple apps as well as Android apps since I'm an Android user for the most part. I was waiting. I didn't think that I was going to be able to actually purchase an iPad at this time. I was just going to take a 10-year-old iPad that apps weren't actually even working on. And then with this latest Apple update that they just did, I went ahead and just made the jump and purchased it. It is a mini. I debated for a long time whether I wanted the original iPad or the mini because of weight restrictions and how much stuff I'm actually bringing. I decided that, I'll just get the mini. It's just easier for my lifestyle currently. Plus, it'll be easier to travel around with. It's also, I think they're both USB-C. Maybe I'm wrong, but let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of it. All right, and here we are back. Have a better view of it. Just came in a nondescript box, which is kind of cool. I do like the simplicity of the way that Apple does things. Single piece of tape. And let's go ahead and just bust this open. See what we got here. And yeah, I love this way that they do their wrapping. This is so cool. Get rid of the box. And you just lift the sides. And simply it pulls out like so. Move that aside. I did get the Smart Folio. Yeah, I do understand that they sell their accessories at a higher price, but this is actually just for ease at this point. Put that aside for now. Get the main iPad mini there. And I think they have an easy, yep. Really love this about Apple products as well. Just this kind of easy open type of deal for the shrink wrap. And then this item is actually quite small. And let's see, is there any? Nope. Let's see if I can actually pull. Oh, that's neat. The Apple, I don't know if you could actually see it or not, but it's purple because that's actually the color I got, maybe. Also has Apple iPad mini in purple, or just iPad mini in purple. Oh, it's just so well fitted. Really hard to open. And there we go. It's just the lid. Put that aside. The actual iPad, put that right there for now. Let's see. We have a charger in the box, USB-C, which is kind of nice. And then a USB-C to C cable, also kind of nice. I think that's it in the box, yep. That's it. The rest of it's empty. And then as for the paperwork that it comes with, iPad mini, it's a little welcome. Oh, and then some quick instructions. That's pretty funny. Interesting. And then wow, really minimal. This is a warning before using safety handling. Put that down there. And then 2 Apple stickers. And that's it. It's funny that they made it a little thicker right here. They put like a piece of styrofoam. I don't know why. Like that's a waste, and styrofoam's horrible for the environment. So maybe it's made out of some recycled product that I'm not aware of, but there it is. Put that aside. Open this bad boy up. This is nice. This is like recycled material. That aside, and then boom. There it is. I don't know if the purple's coming through for colors, but that bump on the camera, it's pretty crazy, but nothing I don't think I'll be able to handle. And then put that down right there real quick. Let's see if I can open this thing up. It's just a pull. Am I doing something wrong here? It is just a pull, but very tight. Maybe it's taped in there somehow. No, that's just really in there really tight. Man, their tolerance is really amazing. And then just a piece of cardboard. Yep. Empty cardboard. Nice soft velvet back. And that just lays in there like that. And boom. It is what it is. Nice. So there we go. Move the camera just to get a better angle of it. And yeah, that's what you get out of the iPad box. I'll go ahead and get this set up for my trip now, and until the next video.